Hello and welcome to HWM Caterham in Walton-on-Thames. Today I'm going to be walking you around this lovely 420R. This is a Series 3, it has lowered floors and it has covered us 17 miles, so it is basically a brand new car. Let's take a closer look and I can tell you more about the spec. Okay, so starting at the front of the car, firstly condition wise, all around this car it is absolutely spot on. Because of the mileage, it's just a brand new car. There's no signs of any stone chipping anywhere, there's no scratches on the paintwork, and the interior is in fantastic condition. But yeah, so starting at the front, it's got the Polar White 7 in the grille, it's got the white triple stripes with black pinstriping, and then it's got LED headlights, it's also got the carbon fibre indicator pods, and it has the clear lens pack on there as well. Front cycle wings are exposed carbon fibre and it has the aero wishbones there as well. Okay, so moving on to the side. First things, it's got the silver finish 15-inch Orcus alloys on the Avon ZZS tyres. It does also have the uprated brake master cylinder as well as the quad piston calipers with vented discs. So the brakes feel absolutely amazing on this. Another thing to mention is it does have all the components finished in black. So that includes the headlight bowls, the windscreen surround, the heat shield on the catalytic converter, and also the aero filler and the carbon stone guards there. So that is what's included in that pack. And you can see down here we've got the 420R model designation and also the battery master cutoff switch. Okay, so coming round to the rear, this one has been specced with the track day roll bar, and this has been painted in Polar White. From about 2022 onwards, the LED rear lights were standard, so it's got those, and your reverse is in the number plate light as well. It's also got the carbon vinyl boot cover, which gives a nice premium feel to the car. Okay, so moving on to the interior of this 420. First things first, it does have the lowered floors, which are key on the Series 3. It does also have the lovely carbon fibre bucket seats, quick release suede steering wheel, sequential shift lights, and the 620 style dash. So it's got all of the important options and it is in beautiful condition. As you would expect with covering 17 miles, it's not got a mark on it. If you'd like any more information on this 420 or want to discuss some finance options, do please give us a call on 01932 240 611. You can also reserve this car on our website for £99 at hwm.co.uk.